Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close your credit card account with the Halifax Bank website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in halifax.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Halifax website, from which you can proceed with signing into your account by clicking on sign in at the top right corner and using your credentials in order to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, hover over to menu and hover over to borrowing. From the borrowing section, click on card, click on credit cards, and then click on existing credit card customer. From this page, you will be able to cash out all of your funds within your credit card. And once you are done withdrawing your funds, hover all the way down and you will find the help and security option. Just click on contact us within this page. And now you can directly send a message using the app, or you can scroll down and you will find the Write to Us section. Click on the plus icon alongside this and click on Online Banking Help. Now from the Help and Security option, click on Help Center, and from the Help Center, you can scroll down and you will find the Get in Touch option. Click on View Our Phone Number and then click on How to Message Us. This will now ask you to download the Halifax application, from which you can access the virtual assistant. Once you download and install the app, open it up and log into your account and then access the virtual assistant, and then you can simply type in that you need to deactivate or cancel your credit card. Once you send your message, you will be given the specific instructions that you can follow in order to successfully deactivate or close your credit card account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to close your credit card account on the Halifax Bank website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.